Tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest. The best known rainforest found in tropical regions between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn. Dead rainforest with an annual rainfall of at least 406 centimeters. Tropical rainforest. The Amazon is the biggest tropical rainforest in the world, covering 2.5 million square miles. The Amazon is called the lungs because it is our world's biggest supply of oxygen. More than 20% of oxygen is produced from this one forest. Where in the world? Tropical rainforests are pictured in red. 1. Brazil. 2. Peru. 3. Hawaii. 4. Indonesia. 5. New Zealand. 6. Malaysia. 7. Thailand. 8. Dominican Republic of Congo. A rainforest has 4 layers: emergent layer, canopy layer, understory layer, forest floor. Emergent layer. The emergent layer is very sunny because it is the very top of a rainforest. Only the tallest trees reach this level. Who lives here? Birds, butterflies, and small monkeys live with bats, snakes, and bugs. Canopy layer. Most trees in the forest grow to the height of the canopy. There are plants that grow in the canopy layer. Their roots don't reach the ground. These are called air plants. Who lives here? Birds, monkeys, frogs, and sloths, as well as lizards, snakes, and many insects. Understory layer. The understory layer has many vines and dense vegetation. There is not much light in this layer. Who lives here? Insects, frogs, and snakes. Forest floor. The forest floor is dark, damp, and full of many dead leaves, twigs, and dead plants. Forest floor is dark due to the trees above stopping the sunlight from entering the forest. Who lives here? Larger animals such as jaguars, gorillas, leopards, tapirs, tigers, and elephants, as well as insects, snakes, and lizards. Animals: toucan, jaguar, spider monkey, red-eyed tree frog, gorilla, piranha, parrot, Bengal tiger, baboon, viper. Climate: hot, hot, hot. Because the rainforests are found near the equator, the temperature stays hot all year long. It never freezes. Climate: hot, humid, and wet and rainy. You start sweating the second you step outside. Destruction of the rainforest. The rainforest used to cover 15% of the Earth's surface. Now, after human intervention, they only cover 7%.